Hey friends, if the printer is in state of error, like in the error state on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart the system. Here's what happens. It will restart all the services and fix the problem. But if not, then the issue could also be with the printer drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now expand the list for printers. Find the printer driver, right click and update it. And the last one is to restart the print spooler service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the print spooler service. The list is in alphabetical order. Right click on the print spooler service and select restart. This will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.